Don't miss this spectacular East Arlington condo with 7 rooms, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bath on the first level of an attractive 2-family style home with 2-car tandem parking and a lovely shared yard. All within a mile to approximately 90 restaurants, bars, and cafes. Welcome to 19 Silk Street, Unit 1. This meticulously cared for home has a private entrance that leads you to a lovely foyer area which connects to a sun-splashed, large, welcoming living room with charming crown moldings. Off the living room is a super handy side sunroom which could be used as a 3rd bedroom in a pinch, or a home office or playroom. The formal dining room offers charm and character as well, with an original built-in oversized china cabinet, crown moldings, and chair picture frame molding. The renovated modern kitchen enjoys a large peninsula, granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances, including a handy stackable washer and dryer. Enjoy direct access to a fantastic heated sunroom that leads to the large shared yard, perfect for lounging at the end of the day. This space can also be used as a mudroom. This 1,227 square foot unit includes 2 spacious bedrooms with excellent closet space and a beautifully tiled bathroom. All this and a great furnished basement storage area, which is nearly half of the entire basement, and it's perfect for storage or a possible gym area. This amazing location is near the Somerville line, Alewife Greenway Bikepath, Tufts University, Teele Sq, Davis Square, and all that East Arlington has to offer. It's a very walkable location and includes a biker's paradise score of 95, with most errands accomplished on bike or foot. Enjoy Arlington's renowned schools, numerous parks, shops, and restaurants with the vibrancy of the East End and nearby Arlington Center, and be conveniently just under a mile to Tufts University and a tad over a mile to the Red Line subway in super hip Davis Square. Simply move in and relax in this attractive and affordable condo in a super convenient location.